Hey friend, first off, I don't want to waste your time or bore you. I started this channel to teach you how to apply tint and protective film to car windows so you don't have to pay mechanics for stuff you can do yourself. Quick heads up, I sped up some parts of the clip so it won't feel long, but my voiceover explains everything so you'll still learn how to tint your windshield at home and block out the sun. So sit back, listen up, and watch closely. Let's go! Go to the nearest store or order online the tint film you want, cut for the size of your windshield. Then place the film on the outside of your windshield and tape both sides to hold it in place. Make sure you watch the end of the video to see exactly how I tape the edges of the film. And here's a very important tip, something nobody tells you, not even on YouTube. When you place the film on the glass, the plastic protective layer that will be thrown away later must face you. That clear plastic should be on the outside, toward your face, not touching the glass. Okay, I hope that's clear. Now it's time to heat shrink the tint film on the outside so it perfectly matches the shape of the glass. This way, when we install it from the inside, it will fit smoothly with no struggle at all. If everything makes sense so far, hit the like button and subscribe, and turn on the bell, because we have a lot more to learn together. My goal is to help you keep your money in your pocket. Alright, my friend, there are a few important things we must follow when applying heat. First, tape both sides of the film, and gently pull one side toward yourself so the center of the film becomes completely flat. When you do this, all the wrinkles will move to the top and bottom of the film. You will clearly see them. Next, just like in the picture, divide the windshield into four sections. Then start heat shrinking one section at a time, working in order, and slowly laying down the wrinkles on the glass. Another important thing is the way you use the heat gun. Look closely at how I'm holding it. I never keep it still in one spot. I'm constantly moving it around in a circular motion. If you hold the heat gun in one place, there's a high chance the film will burn. So the main rule is, keep about a 5 centimeter distance from the film, move the heat gun in circles, let the wrinkles soften and melt, and then use a soft squeegee, just like in the video, to smooth them out. If you haven't hit like and subscribed yet, please do. I'll be giving you free tutorials that could save you thousands of dollars. Now it's time to trim the excess film around the edges of the window. For this step, your blade must be new so the job can be done cleanly and easily. As shown in the video, you should cut around the edges of the film about half a centimeter outside the dots around the windshield. Trim all the way around so the edges are even and without any excess, ensuring a professional installation from the inside. I mean the films that were applied to the sides at the beginning of the video. Pay close attention to see how much adhesive was used and exactly how it was applied. Now, carefully roll the film as shown in the clip and get ready to install it from the inside. I'll show the inside installation method in the next video. By the way, I'll also include a sample of the work we just did in the description, so you can clearly understand what to do. So make sure to follow my channel, and step by step I'll turn you into a professional installer. See you soon.